as you can see, I'm Adron from the United States of America. They're saying happy birthday to me. I have one local brat here screaming, but don't bother. This is thank you. Look at the cameraman, they're all here. Thank you, ma.
An icon, that's what I call it. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọmọ nǹkan tí Saidi Balogun ti ṣe sí film industry Nigeria torí ìlú ìyàmátètè gbàgbé ìtàn. Saidi Balogun ni ẹni àkọ́kọ́ ní history film industry orílẹ̀-èdè tó kọ́kọ́ ṣe film two cast actor méjì ní Nigerian scene. Beautifully played, all they run for more than 1 hour. No, Saidi Balogun dey ṣe so many things, so it's a good thing that we younger generation celebrate such an icon. I call him a revolutionalist. He brought so many dimensions, eré ìtàgé Yoruba TV, from the days of Walata down to him being matured. I think and his 50th birthday, some years back, awesome. And another year tó ń ṣe ń sin Ọlọ́run máa fún ọ ní orí ọ̀fẹ́ okun àti agbára sí. Iṣẹ́ Walata tí mo wò làwọn àti Doris Simon yẹn tó fi ṣe túkà mo ti gbàgbé táìtù ẹ̀ then wọ́n ṣe bí Tom and Jerry iṣẹ́ yẹn ti dùn jù then wọ́n ṣe kan tó ṣe ọmọ alájà ó dàbí kó dùn kó kọ̀ pọ̀ pẹ́ iṣẹ́ ìwẹ̀ mímọ́ ni nígbà ìwẹ̀ mímọ́ ló rain so wọ́n ṣe ọmọ alájà lágbà yẹn Saidi Balogun ẹkùn but awesome. Kọ́lọ́run fún ọ ró wọn lágbára sí pé ní gbogbo ohun tó ń ṣe kọ́rẹ́ àánú Ọlọ́run gbà then good health more creativity then láti also help àti nurture àwọn young and coming actors. Kọ́lọ́run fún ọ ní that power and strength, but I must say he's an iconic, a man I don't joke with, one of the few. Yeah. Mọ̀mí náà ni mo gbàdúrà fún yẹ. Alhaji Saidi, how you doing? Saidi Balogun, we're here to celebrate an icon, a legend,
Happy 52 birthday. Congratulations. You live long in prosperity and wealth. The Lord will continue to bless you. Will continue to flourish every year. We are proud of you. You are doing something great for us. You are doing something great everywhere. As Edun is doing everywhere, you are also doing everywhere. Bless you, we appreciate you.
Ogoni fún Ọlọ́run bàbá, ogoni fún ọmọ, ogoni fún ẹ̀mí náà, ó tún wà láti kọ́ ṣe àwọn ẹni sí ilẹ̀ yóò tún máa rí fún ọgbọ́n ayé àlékún ẹ̀fún ọ̀la. Jehovah, Jésù Kristi, Michael ìbímọ, Ọlọ́run alágbára, bàbá wa àti ẹlẹ́dàá wa, Ọlọ́run ayérayé, ọba lánàá, ọba lónìí, ọba lọ́la, ọba títí ayérayé àlékún. Ọba àwọn ọba, olúwa àwọn olúwa, àwa iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ rẹ, àwa ọmọ rẹ, àwa àyànfẹ́ rẹ, a kó ara wa jọ pọ̀ ní wákàtí yìí láti bá àbúrò wa, ọmọ wa, ẹ̀gbọ́n wa, ọ̀rẹ́ wa yọ ayọ̀ ọjọ́ ìbí rẹ̀. Nítorí pé ẹ̀yin Ọlọ́run wa náà lẹ sọ nínú ìwé mọ́ wípé ká máa rántí ọjọ́ ìbí wa, ó lè máa mú wa lọ nípa ọgbọ́n, ó lè máa mú wa mọ̀ nípa ọgbọ́n ìmọ̀ àti òye rẹ̀. Èyí tí a ń ṣe lónìí fún ìránṣẹ́ rẹ Saidi Balogun, Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè, gbàkóso ayé wa. Adúpẹ́ ayọ̀ àfihàn ìforúkọmọ́ rẹ torí tí o ṣeun torí tí àánú rẹ ló ládá lórí rẹ àti lórí gbogbo wa ní ìyìn. Ọlọ́run ẹ gba ọpẹ́ wa. Bàbá, gbogbo wa tá wà níbí inú wa ń dùn, ayọ̀ wa ń kún ni. Ọlọ́run wá túbọ̀ mú inú wa kún báyìí lọ. Àánú àti ààbò àti àánú rẹ àti oore ọ̀fẹ́ rẹ jẹ́ kó máa bá ọgbọ wa gbé. Ọmọ ọlọ́jọ́ ìbí náà bí ó ti ń tẹ̀síwájú nínú ọgbọ́n, ìmọ̀ àti òye rẹ, Olúwa má jẹ́ kó rẹ̀yìn. Nínú iṣẹ́ ìṣe rẹ̀ má jẹ́ kó díbàjẹ́. Gbogbo alápapọ̀ iṣẹ́ ìṣe wa má jẹ́ kó díbàjẹ́. A wá fi gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n jẹ́ aṣíwájú ní àárín wa, a fi wọ́n lé ọ lọ́wọ́. Àwọn aṣíwájú wọ̀nyí, iṣẹ́ wọn náà bó ti ń tẹ̀síwájú. Ìmọ̀ rẹ ni, ìmọ̀sí rẹ ni, òye rẹ ló ń fi fún wọn, ọgbọ́n rẹ ló ń fi fún wọn. Ọlọ́run má ṣe jẹ́ kó pẹ̀dé. Jẹ́ ká máa rí bá ti ṣe ká máa rọ́nà gbígbà. Lẹ́yìn ọjọ́ òní, aṣọ ọdúnmọ́dún ni kó máa jẹ́ fún wa lọ́rùn, aṣọ oṣùmọ́ṣù ni kó máa jẹ́ fún wa àti àwọn ọmọ wa àti àwọn ọmọ wa, àwọn ẹbí wa, àwọn àbúrò wa, àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n wa, àwọn òbí wa lápapọ̀. Ààbò rẹ jẹ́ kó dájú lórí gbogbo wa, jẹ́ kí ààbò rẹ kó dájú lórí gbogbo wa. nígbà tí ọba máa padà sí ilé sí ibùgbé wa Olúwa ẹ̀ka tó láyọ̀ àti àlàáfíà àwọn máa dúpẹ́ àwọn máa yàn lógo àdúpẹ́ ní orúkọ Jésù Kristi Olúwa àti ìgbàlà wa. Hallelujah méje fún Jésù. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy
Make a wish before you blow the candle. To yourself. Amen. Oh, yeah, stand up and get the cake now. Okay, but I said, okay, can I do just that? Okay, but I said,
Arole.
okay, sir.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Okay, I'm going to spell Sahi and the last. Okay, Saidi. The last alphabet, S. Kàlẹ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin èèyàn sálàáfíà lẹ́wà gẹ́gẹ́ bí àwa náà ṣe wà ń bì tá à ń jẹ oúnjẹ ìlú èbú tá à mọ̀ bí wọ́n ṣe sè tí wọ́n mú gbogbo ẹ̀pọ̀ mọ́ra wọn sáà ń jẹ́ ń lọ náà ni champagne o kìíní rè eléyìí ṣe kólákólá o kí wọ́n pè ná three top àbí kí ni sapman eléyìí owó gidi wọ́n ṣe oṣù kan wọn mọ̀ mú ṣúgà nù rẹ̀ pọ̀ díẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀ láti dàjẹ́ ń bì láti ṣe ìbírò kí òjò ló kọ̀ bí bẹ́ẹ̀ dé wá Saidi la wá ṣe èèyàn ni ó wà látara ẹ̀sọ́ bíi àìlàsíláwà èèyàn bí wọ́n ti ẹ̀ ṣe èèyàn gbogbo ọjọ́ èèyàn ni wọ́n lé ní tẹ́lẹ̀ wọ́n fún mi ló jalẹ̀. Oh my God èèyàn ni bọ̀dá Saidi honestly èèyàn ni wọ́n honestly àtijọ́ wà ó ti ṣe díẹ̀ tèmi àti bọ̀dá Saidi tìjọ́ wà tàtijọ́ ń ṣiṣẹ́ and ẹ̀gbọ́n dáadáa ni wọ́n sí mi tí èèyàn bá wà ní ipò àgbà ní àwọn ibì kan ní àwọn organizations kan tí ẹni yẹn bá jẹ́ ní tó máa ń farabalẹ̀ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tó bá dẹ̀ máa ń farabalẹ̀ tó ọ̀rọ̀ bóyá ọ̀rọ̀ bá ṣe lọ ṣe mọ̀ pé organisation yẹn máa lọ síwájú sí máa lọ síwájú sí irú èèyàn tí bọ̀dá Saidi jẹ́ nìyẹn bọ̀dá Saidi jẹ́ èèyàn tó máa ń dúró tìyàn tó máa ń support èèyàn bọ̀dá Saidi ò kí ń wò pé ẹni yìí ò mọ̀ ṣe ẹni yìí ò mọ̀ ṣe kò sẹ́ni tó fi rán wá láti ọ̀run so gbogbo yẹn ni bọ̀dá Saidi is a very nice man is a very nice man though wọ́n ṣèjọ̀gbọ́n o wọ́n ṣèjọ̀gbọ́n gan-an wọ́n dẹ̀ máa ń ṣeré pa náà gan-an so ẹni tó bá rí wọn tó ń ṣèjọ̀gbọ́n tó ń ṣeré pa tó ń fò síbi tó ń fò sọ́hùn kò ní mọ̀ pé èèyàn dáadáa ni wọ́n but when you get close to him you know the kind of person he is he's a very nice person bọ̀dá Saidi mo wish yín good luck mo wish yín ní ẹ̀mí gígùn mo wish yín ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ owó mo wish yín ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìfọkànbalẹ̀ mo dẹ̀ wish yín ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹ̀mí gígùn torí ẹ̀mí gígùn ló máa ń sànyà ọlọ́run á fún yín lẹ́mí gígùn sir happy birthday sir God bless you sir happy 53 he's still my boy 53 ni wọ́n wọ́n 53 ni wọ́n wọ́n ìdáwà púpọ̀ ọmọ èké ni.
I might not be good with all the names, so for me not to commit error of names or no recognition, I respect all practitioners, actors, actresses, individuals here. You are highly welcome. We do not take your time for granted. I got in here like 30 minutes ago and I was amazed seeing people already seated here just for this iconic man. I just want to take one or two people speeches, but before that time, I have a man that I personally have high regard for. He's like a father figure to me. I've gone to meet him, of course, time, and he had actually done some stuff for me. It's one of those people I've actually prayed for too, and I bless God over his life. Talking about the MD CEO of Adron Homes and Property. Please, can we come down? I'm proud of what you have become. When you used to come and meet me to pray for you, and you have not. So I'll call on some specific people because this part is very crucial and people don't really know. We are in a place where people easily forget history because of lack of documentation and things being laid down. My own experience with the man we're celebrating today, Saidi Balogun, I call him highly iconic because when you look at the transcend of the movie industry in Nigeria, we cannot mention that industry without his name. I remember, and the thing about it is, it's so painful that it's we younger generation, few of us, that still has the trace back to history. And I would take it, he's the first man that I know of that did a 2-cast movie in a PC and we won it for over an hour. It was not even done by the English people. It was the first person. He did a lot of protests, made a lot of moves, just to make sure that actors and actresses were being taken care of. You see him moving here and there, trying to make sure that things are properly done. And he's highly one of the first few actors in this country that took the trade of acting out of Nigeria, to London, to America, to places you never imagine. It's just like I said, we are not good with history here. And it's just so painful, you just see things happen and some people just flock in. I think that's how that pain. But for such an iconic hero, someone that should be properly documented, maybe a case study in some schools to study about, please, a round of applause for him. So without taking more of our time, I want, starting from you in particular, because you are in that industry as well, and you are a friend to the celebrant as well. So please, a round of applause for our wonderful Mr. Say something about
Good evening, everybody. I'm in talk about upside. Let me get excited because it's my boy. How old are you now? I'm just 53, innit? We've been together for ages, and I want to say one thing about him that he doesn't know. I want to say it today. He shot a film in the 2000 and something. I've forgotten the title of the movie. British played the role in that movie. She played it, and she didn't play it for a very long time. I was like, okay, this role, I can play it now. How do I go about it? I went to him, I told Brother Saidi, I want to do this, I want to do this, I want to do this, I want to do this. But he doesn't know, he didn't know that I picked the role I wanted to do from his movie. You understand? So we sat down. That film, the script was the worst script I've ever made in my life. Very, very worst. He was doing the script, sleeping, waking up, he's not himself, he was not doing everything. Afterwards, okay, he wants to go to London. We went to London, he was not even looking at the script. Everything was coming from his head. I was telling him, but I checking him at that, so mad, when we got to Lagos, when I said, how do you conclude this movie? Let's go. How do we go? How do we do about it? What do we do? Don't worry. When we got to the station, we started calling, he started chasing me, mad. He said, oh, mad, okay. When I went to the editing suite, I was like, really? Can I really act like this? I was laughing. That was Bajuma. He is the person that made me know that I can do comedy. He brought out comedy in me. Understand? So I give that to you, Brother Saidi. You are 53 today, like Arole, you will be 60, you will be 70, you will be 80, you will be 90, you will be 100. In good health and wealth, like Arole. Àwọn ọmọ yìí gbogbo ń ṣe wọn aṣojú ní lágbára Ọlọ́run. Fẹ̀yìntì jẹ́ ọmọ lágbára Ọlọ́run lọ́pọ̀ oríṣi ní fún wa. Happy birthday on the side. God bless you, sir. Happy birthday, sir.
Please, a round of applause.
Inú mi dùn, I'm happy celebrating today.
Time when, let me just say this before I call Jamal to say something. At a time when the Yoruba movie industry used to look as if it was just the locals that were doing it. I remember that it was Saidi Balogun that single-handedly, as at that time, used to cross-carpet English actors and actresses down to Yoruba movies. Yes. He was the first person that featured Kate Henshaw in a movie. So if I say that this is a man that had done something remarkable in that industry that a lot of people are not doing now, you know that he has really been a pace setter. You know, as at that time, in fact, Saidi Balogun was one of the first actors that started introducing English dialogue in Yoruba movies. When you sit down to watch a Yoruba movie, tight script, fantastic story, not just the regular, even the subtitling. You know, he's just a man of finesse. You know that his intelligence out of here. I personally have a high regard, 100%. Few people I have that for in Nigeria, and it's one of those few ones. I have an 100% high regard for him. And at the time, I want is very handsome, good looking, very calm, 100% reserved. You can see the way you know it's a shy time to say something about it. I mean, it's a lot of fun.
Good evening, everyone. I wouldn't say much about them because I have to do this one. My father, or let me say our father, is a resplendent man. He's a man of transcendent character. He demands humility anywhere we are, anywhere me and my siblings are. Demands us to respect. He wants us to. He doesn't want us to come as like his image man when you say you can do more. I would really do more. But he has laid a good foundation and he's a wonderful man. He taught us a lot about decorum and veneration, whereby you have to have respect, whereby you have to give respect the others deserve. I don't know what to say today because I was not prepared for this, but I just want to say one thing to you, sir. I've not known you for so long. I've known you for like 8 years. But it has been as if I've known you since year 1. Wow! Like he said, yeah, we tend to forget history. Yeah. History is where it is. History will always be history. But I want to say, when I wasn't with you, you gave me the time, you gave me the efforts, you gave me the decision for me to be here today, and that was a very honorable thing you did, sir. I'm short of words, but I know that I have to use.
Your teacher comes to the class and tells you know that the film industry started from 18-something, from the time of Shakespeare. That was where social person came up. We don't lack that here. And that is why look at someone like Ronke coming to say that you actually brought up something. I can count at my fingertips because I've had a personal relationship with him. Actors that you can never imagine came out from this young man. That's the truth. But the fact that they don't want to be in public does not mean they are not being part of the history. You know, we just feel that when we appreciate people in this part of the world, our ego goes down. So when they ask you stuff in public, on the camera, so how did you get here? Say, actually, you know, it was from the streets. No, it wasn't from the streets. Some people actually put you up there, you know, to be part of their job. So please, I know we are saying that, and for raising young talent, yeah, and you know, for helping a lot of people you see on the main screen today that might have never mentioned his name. Please, a round of applause for this. I will have the singular honor once again.
My daughter, my sister, my colleague here have said a lot about him. Take a script to Saidi Balogun. I want to produce this film. Saidi Balogun will go through the script. He is everything to me. Besides God, after God Almighty, after Jesus Christ, Son of God, my Lord, He is Saidi Balogun. Thank you very much.
Wow, that's quite impactful. You know, when people can say after God, it's you. It's not about. It's about impact, and that is the essence of life, and that's quite remarkable of him. And he's a very humble person.
Orúkọ tèmi Ambassador Kola Olaiya. Òṣèré sinimá àti orí ìtàgé ni mí. mo jẹ́ ìkan nínú àwọn àgbà òṣèré ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà àti nílẹ̀ Áfíríkà. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run wípé Saidi Balogun wà láyé, ó wà láàyè, ó sì tún fi ọdún kan kún ọdún rẹ̀ lónìí. Saidi Balogun jẹ́ ẹni tí mo mọ̀ dáadáa. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run, mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run, mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ó jẹ́ oníwà tútù bí àdàbà. Ó jẹ́ ènìyàn tó kó àwọn èèyàn mọ́ra. Ó jẹ́ olóòótọ́ ènìyàn. Saidi Balogun ẹni tí Ọlọ́run fún ní oore ọ̀fẹ́ àti àǹfààní ni láti jẹ́ ẹ̀kan pàtàkì nínú iṣẹ́ sinimá ṣíṣe. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ti bì kan wò, ká ti bì ìṣáná kíyèsí ogun kéèyàn ṣe sinimá eléèyàn mẹ́ta péré. Èèyàn mẹ́ta gbogbo èrè ní táìtù iṣẹ́ náà lọ́dún náà lọ́hùn. Ó tún wo gàgàgà, ó tún wo pé eléèyàn mẹ́ta yìí ó tún ṣe léèyàn méjì. Mo dúpẹ́ tèmi ní ọdún náà lọ́hùn. Èèyàn méjì péré ẹ̀ ní rí eṣinṣin kó kọjá. Àwọn èèyàn méjì péré náà ní sinimá yẹn tí ò bá dẹ̀ wò títọ̀ bá ń gbọ́n ẹwà pọ́ọ̀sì ẹ̀ ni wàá sáré lọ tọ̀bù. Ẹlòmíín tó ara mi tó ti ń wò nítorí pé sinimá yẹn jẹ́ ohun tó ń dánilẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tó dùn. Lẹ́yìn yẹn ó tún ṣe sinimá kan gbogbo ẹni tó wà nú ẹ̀ pátápátá àǹkárá ni wọ́n wọ̀ títí dé orí àwọn ológun àwọn ọlọ́pàá aṣọ tí wọ́n wọ̀ àǹkárá ni. Ẹni àkọ́kọ́ tó máa ṣerú ẹ̀ ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà àti nílẹ̀ Áfíríkà. Ó tún wá bù ṣe gàgà, ó tún gbà lóyìnbó lọ ní Amẹ́ríkà, ní Spain, ní South Africa. Ó tún lọ ya sinimá wá tó jẹ́ pé Saidi Balogun nìkan ní èèyàn dúdú nínú sinimá yẹn. Gbogbo àwọn tó kù pátápátá òyìnbó ni wọ́n, aláwọ̀ funfun ni wọ́n. Kódà tẹ́ bá rí ẹyẹ tó bá kọjá ẹyẹ aláwọ̀ funfun ni. Saidi Balogun nítorí náà mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Àṣọdúnmọ́dún láwọ̀ àṣọdúnmọ́dún, àṣoṣùmọ́ṣù ní àwọ̀ àṣoṣùmọ́ṣù. Bá a ṣe rí ọ lónìí, 20 ọdún lónìí, 30 ọdún lónìí, 60 ọdún lónìí, a máa rí ara wa láyọ̀ àtàlàáfíà ni. Wàá dàgbà wàá ṣoríire, àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ wàá ṣoríire, àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ náà wàá ṣoríire, wàá dàgbà wàá ṣoríire lójú ẹ̀mí ẹ̀. Àánú Ọlọ́run àgbàgbé.
A good heart, boss, and good father. So I pray that Allah, whatever you've been begging Allah for, will do it. You are now 53. Wow. So that's 353. Saidi Balogun. Happy birthday. Can you be
everyone. My name is Ronke. I would like to firstly, I would like to apologize to the side. He has been arguing with me for a very long time, but he has forgiven me. Thank you. I like to say he's a very nice person. He has directed me for those together, I think 2 years ago, for Remington. It was a forecast movie. Directed the movie. And to the glory of God, when the movie came out, people were actually pointing to my character, and it was one that gave me that inspiration in the movie. I acted as a movie, which I've never done before. So I would like to say this to you, may God keep blessing you, and may God be with you and your family. I wish you all the best.
Talking of no other person, they know him, 2 cars, 3 cars, there, 4 things there. He's too preoccupied, but he has no choice. The one and only Seyi Toriola, you know the person I'm talking about. The producer, the director, he's going to say something about himself. Yes, that's the same. No, I'm not the same person.
Yorùbá ní ojú ẹni báyìí láti máa kú sin ẹni. Kò dẹ̀ sẹ́ni tó máa wà láyé tí wọ́n ní sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ pé ó dà. Bóyá kò tiẹ̀ dà, bọ̀ wọ́n á fẹ́ pọ́n lé kí àwọn èèyàn lè sọ pé torí bó wà láyé ẹni yìí dà. Ní bá ṣe súnmọ́ra wa sí, mo mọ̀ pé Alhaji Saidi Balogun ó dà. Ó ní àbàwọ́n tiwọn because èèyàn ò ní mọ̀ọ́rìn kó rí mami, but téèyàn bá ti ń lè kópa bíi 70% nínú dídá, ó sì san ẹni tó kópa 30%. Èèyàn tó value èèyàn tó appreciate èèyàn ni, like I said earlier. Torí pé téèyàn bá ti mọ rírì èèyàn ni èèyàn ò fi ní ṣe èèyàn. ẹni tí ò mọ rírì èèyàn ló máa ń ṣẹ̀yàn, ẹni tí ò mọ rírì èèyàn ló máa ń hùwà ìdá sí èèyàn, but tí èèyàn bá mọ rírì èèyàn kò ní ṣẹ̀yàn. N tí a filẹ̀ láti wá celebrate wọn kan tó important sí mi fúnra lára mi ni. So as a movie director, as a movie producer, kò yẹ kí n forí set tí mo wá sílẹ̀, but torí pé èèyàn ni ó máa ń báyàn ṣe, so a ní láti dìde láti wá bá wọn ṣe torí pé lára few people tí wọ́n pè á wà lára wọn, so wàá fi gbogbo nǹkan tí èèyàn bá ń ṣe lẹ̀ tó bá mọ̀ pé mo value ẹni wàá ṣe. Èèyàn tó dáa ni mo dẹ̀ ń gbàdúrà kí Ọlọ́run lọ́jọ́ òní kó jẹ́ kí ẹ̀mí wọn gùn, kó jẹ́ kí wọ́n pẹ́ láyé dáadáa, kán má wàá lo gbogbo ìgbà wọn nínú àìsàn, kán má lò nínú àárẹ̀, kán lò nínú àlàáfíà, kán lò nínú ìdùnnú àti ìgbéga.
Ọlọ́run bá dá ó ṣòro farawé. Mr. Saidi Balogun ṣe farawé. Instead of everywhere, torí wípé nígbà tẹ́ bá rò pé Ọlọ́run ti padà lẹ́yìn ẹ̀, Ọlọ́run á wá ní ó dá o. Mo gbé sí àrà dìde lórí Saidi Balogun. Ọlọ́run wá ṣe òun fúnra lára ẹ̀ jẹ́ èèyàn tó mọ iye. Ẹmọ kéèyàn kóyàn mọ́ra ó yàtọ̀, kéèyàn mọ iye nígbà tá ìbá lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ ti ṣe 53 lẹ́nu wà á ṣe 102 tó lọ láyé. Thank you everybody. Like I said, he represents a very, very powerful man. When it comes to property,
aside the talent part of it that everybody knows, he's someone who appreciates talent and is very kind to people. If other side knows you and you're not even aware that maybe there is an opportunity, you will be the first person to say, oh mommy, I know someone, and later I will be telling you, he's someone that I'm very close to, but you don't see us on the ground together like that. He's very supportive. In fact, I don't want to take so much of our time. Let me just say, I wish every good thing you desire. Thank you for everything you do.
Happy birthday to him, and I want to wish him long life and prosperity. Everywhere máa ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ní láyé. Ìgbà ọdún kan ni. Tẹ́ bá ti pé 350 years, ẹ̀yin máa ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọdún láyé o. Gbogbo iṣẹ́ tẹ́ ti fi ọjọ́ àárọ̀ yín ṣe kò ní di ọjọ́ alẹ́ yín kó dàrú. Ẹ máa jìyà ọmọ yín o. Ẹ máa jìyà wa náà àárọ̀ yín sí ìgbà.
About 16, 17 years ago, on the set of Biola, my brother, my sister were not there. And I've met him a while before that time. There was something about him that he talks a lot and then he can abuse anybody. You will just talk and I'm like, they're not so right. You know, I felt like I would find my way to avoid it. But even in that, there was something special and spectacular about his life. He is highly intelligent. So, but because of that, because I had the mindset that I go back some more, my boy, you know, I always avoided it. But in all, when I got a little bit closer to him, I got to know how good-hearted this man is. That's why he would go any length to see people around him happy. We go any length to develop your talent. He will go any length to support you. He will do it without even expecting anything from you, not even a thank you. He doesn't care if you know about it, if you don't know about it. He just wants to go all out to support you. That's why it's been a blessing to me in particular and to a lot of people. My prayer for you is that as you grow older, everything that God has given you, that is making men, women appreciate you, that thing will not disappear. Amen. There's so much grace, that grace will increase. Amen. God will sustain you. He will give you good health. You will not vanish. You will not disappear. Amen. Your glory will last for generations. Amen. God bless you, sir.
Alhaji Saidi Balogun, èèyàn tó dára ni wọ́n. He is a very kind man. Ẹni tí ọkàn ẹ̀ dá sí gbogbo ènìyàn ni. Èèyàn tó nífẹ̀ẹ́ èèyàn, tó dẹ̀ máa ń lọ, ó máa ń he will go extra mile tẹ́ bá mọ nǹkan tí mo mean ó máa lọ ó máa ṣe ju bó ṣe yẹ lọ láti rí pé òun fà ẹ́ lọ́wọ́ sókè lọ́nà tó bá lè ti ṣe tó bá lágbára sí. He is a very good man. Ọlọ́run fún wọn lọ́pọlọ gan bí ìkànnù senior colleague mi ṣe sọ pé àkàndá èèyàn ni lóòótọ́ ni àkàndá èèyàn ni ambassador Saidi Balogun Alhaji Saidi Balogun. He's a good man. So gbogbo wa wá lè ní láti wá celebrate wọn àgbàládùra pé ẹ̀mí wọn tó ṣe 53 a ṣe 63 a ṣe 83 a ṣe 93 kò ní ṣe lásán a ṣe nínú ọlá ńlá ayọ̀ àlàáfíà ìbùkún rẹpẹtẹ pẹ̀lú ọmọ agbára Ọlọ́run. I'm so happy to be here.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ola. I don't really have much to say about it because everybody has said one thing about it or the other. So I don't know what. But my speech is directed to the son. Most of the time, we don't really appreciate our parents when they're with us. We don't really appreciate them. For me today, a lot of people used to say that, oh, she started from the English side. No, I think that from the English side, it was actually the one that brought me into the industry. We actually got at the wall, and just told me, what are you doing? And that's not the beginning of the whole thing. And it fixed me into a movie, major movie, and I went to the cinema. But that's just the genesis of the whole thing. Thank you so much because I don't even know how to thank you. I don't really know what to say. But deep inside you know that I appreciate because there's no time you call me that Odun, blah blah blah. And there's no time I call him too. That see SB, I needed something. He's gonna do okay, Odun, let's do this way. And it's always working out. That intelligence, like I'm telling you, Jamal, you people should learn a lot from your dad. Okay? You should learn a lot from him. Thank you so much. I wish you long life and prosperity. I wish you more God's favor, God's blessings, whatever, every good thing that you wish yourself. And gbogbo ibi tí ẹ bá lọ ní ṣílẹ̀tẹ̀ lórí lọ́jọ́ tẹ́bí ń tàn lọ́jọ́ tán kò fo àwọn Adron náà tẹ́ ẹ bá ṣiṣẹ́ àtàwọn ẹlòmíì náà iléeṣẹ́ wọn ò ní dàrú just because of your presence. From glory to glory, ẹ̀yà Adron lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́ kúṣẹ́ o, we appreciate your presence and everyone too, you're all welcome and we appreciate you too. Thank you so much.
Ẹni tó bá jẹ́ ọmọ 1 year tẹ́ bá ṣe birthday 1 year fún ó hard láti sọ pé ó máa double age yẹn ṣe mọ̀ pé 50 pọ̀ ká tó wá sọ pé 3 tuntun gorí ẹ̀ ẹlẹ́dàá ò ní pa wọ́n báyìí so ọ̀gá wa ni tí wọ́n ṣe dáadáa fún àwọn tó ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn wọn reason yẹn tí àwọn tó wà wájú wọn náà fi lè sọ̀rọ̀ wọn láì dáa because wọn kì í fojú pààyàn rẹ̀ wọ́n fẹ́ kí gbogbo wa dókè wọn ọ̀dẹ̀ kí ń béèrè returns gbogbo nǹkan tó bá ṣe so reason tàfi wà ń bí nìyẹn and I pray that ẹlẹ́dàá mi ó jẹ́ kí ẹ̀mí wọn gùn jù báyìí lọ àbúrò ò ní ṣe wọn lágbára Ọlọ́run wọ́n ti ṣe 53 wọ́n máa ṣe 63 73 83 93 103 àti iye tí ó bá wá látọkàn wọn kan hard ẹ̀mí ètò mi ṣe yẹn kọ́lọ́ ń jẹ́ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ happy birthday to brother Saidi once again.
He is also a son of a veteran, you know, and we have been at least here this wonderful evening in person of Yemi and Lesho. Please a round of applause for him. Now the time he did something for Adron, I was here, and it was quite beautiful and awesome. And you know, he's here also to celebrate with the agent. What do you have to say about? A lot of people have said, can you hear what I'm saying?
Yeah, sure.
A lot of people have said a lot of amazing stuff about about this icon. Do you have something to say about
icon?
Ambassador Saidi.
Actually, I don't want to start giving him titles, but I think back then, when my dad was still in Ilorin, my dad told me about him, that he used to be either his son or his younger brother then. And I remember when they were shooting Oluwari Makoto, I remember that he was sent outside to go and bring their meat from outside. So I remember that. I was very young. So thank God today, I still can sit on the same seat or on the same table, dine with him tonight. So it's a very, very good thing. And I've worked with him once. The fact that ọjọ́ yẹn that jẹun yóò sí and oúnjẹ yóò fi bẹ́ẹ̀ bọ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n sáà ń sáré ká pé àyẹ́ nínú you have to just so àṣà ṣe dáadáa ṣá ṣe dáadáa kọ́nà ọ̀sán àlùbá tí mo ṣe ń lọ náà wọ́n ṣe dáadáa fún mi inú mi dùn mo rẹ́rìn lọlé and never since then when I see his picture or when I see him movies I will be like that brother Mr. Saidi Balogun may God Almighty bless you. That's what I can say about it.
This part of the world, Nigeria precisely, there's one name that rings your bell when it comes to advertising, doing a lot of programs, making it easier for people who want to get property, talk of another brand, and Adron homes. I've had a share of this sweet man I'm about to go to say something. Because for you to pick someone to represent your brand, not just to represent it alone, integrate it as an inclusion into a brand, you know that it transcends what, you know, the difference between an ambassador and people that sign paper is not the same. You know, we live in an you understand?
Orúkọ mi ni Adédọ̀tun Òní, ambassador Saidi Balogun. Wọ́n jẹ́ èèyàn kan tí mo ti mọ̀ láti ìgbà tí mo wà kékeré tí mo ti máa ń wò wọ́n lórí eré ìtàgé. Mo máa ń rí oríṣiríṣi ọgbọ́n ìmọ̀ àti òye tó ń lò nínú eré sinimá láti gbà yẹn. So ìgbà tí opportunity yẹn dé láti bá wọn ṣiṣẹ́ ní I think it was 2 years ago ìgbà tí mo join iléeṣẹ́ Adron ní àpàdé tàbí bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣiṣẹ́. So mo wá rí pé èèyàn tí wọ́n jẹ́ èèyàn akíkanjú èèyàn kan jẹ́ pé wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ iṣẹ́ wọn gidi gan. Wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ kí àwọn tó wà ní àyíká wọn náà kó dàgbàsókè nínú iṣẹ́ eré ìtàgé àti iṣẹ́ tó jọ mọ́ iṣẹ́ mídíà mọ́ iṣẹ́ tẹlifíṣàn mọ́ iṣẹ́ rédíò. Wọ́n dẹ̀ jẹ́ nǹkan jẹ́ pé wọ́n ní ìmọ̀ àti òye nípa iṣẹ́ náà púpọ̀. So inú mi dùn gan tó jẹ́ pé mo wà ń bẹ̀ lẹ́ni tó ń ṣe birthday wọn pé mi náà wà lára àwọn tí tó jẹ́ èèyàn tó súnmọ́ wọn ní òde òní torí àti kékeré mo ti máa ń rí wọn lórí tẹlifíṣàn tí máa ń rí wọn tó máa ṣe ìṣàgẹ́ ìgbà wà látà gbogbo tó ń ṣe ń gbà yẹn. So ó jẹ́ nǹkan ọdún so àti pé ó tún jẹ́ nǹkan ayọ̀ fún mi pé a ti ṣiṣẹ́ papọ̀ lórí oríṣiríṣi set ní advert fún ṣe Adron lọ́tún lọ́sì. So èèyàn gidi ni wọ́n èèyàn kan tó jẹ́ pé mo rí gẹ́gẹ́ bí mentor ní èdè òyìnbó mi mọ́ ní Yorùbá nǹkan tí mo lè pè wọ́n ní ambassador Saidi Balogun. Ọjọ́ birthday yín lè ní lágbára Ọlọ́run mo wish yín pé ìgbéga ńlá àtúmọ̀dé bá yín ní gbogbo ọ̀nà nínú iṣẹ́ yín nínú ilé yín ní gbogbo ọ̀nà ìgbéga máa dé bá yín. Ayé mọ̀ yín ká ní lágbára Ọlọ́run ẹ tún máa jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ káàkiri all over the world. Ambassador Saidi Balogun, happy birthday to you once again. God bless you.
Everybody. I'm happy to be here and everybody seated here. Can you please put your hands together for my chairman? I always base my working style on system. Arole was, let me start with him, he's here talking from 20 to dozen. Last year I was in Aremu's house, so he was just joking. He said, who are you talking to? I said, I'm talking to Emmanuel. He said, you will work with that man. I said, no. He said, yeah. He said, your style will work with that man. I thought he was joking. God Almighty knows to be, and here I'm working. Secondly, when I took the job, I scanned run until last called me before. I will start with this job. I scanned run. And I, like he said, looking to the future, something normally happens to February people. And if you don't pick a day before, your day after may not be strong. If you don't pick a day before, your day after tomorrow will not be good. If you don't pick a day before, your day after the day tomorrow will not be a day to remember. I looked at this year, I discovered for the first time somebody is doing something special, a man is intelligent. When land sellers, Ronke can bear me witness. A man called us to say, come and market for us. I asked the man 4 questions, he didn't come back to me in my way. For a man, at a time when all the land sellers are running away to be making waves, I said, my special year will be with a special man. Nobody thought of it. If you look at February of this year, it's going to be February 29. It comes once in 25 years. So pick your tomorrow to know how your tomorrow will be better. So I pitched my tent with a man who has made the impossible possible. I decided to pitch my tent with a man who is making the incredible affordable. I know the country will lack a lot of, economic problem, and I know he's seen the vision, so I decided to sit with him. So that is why. And getting into the office, actors there, I'm coming from a place we throw jokes, jabs at each other. Serenity is not in our quest, it's not part of us. So when I got in there, I saw a different total world. But I now sat down like him. I said, fine, good English, good grammar can fly, good work can pay. Good job can pay. And I decided to say, well, he has picked a mind, let me pick 4 mine. And I said one thing to him. Everybody has thrown some accolade to me here, telling me, oh, guy, you did the job, you did this. He is the only man, when he's talking about a script, I don't argue. Do you know why? I deserve 7, he gives me 9. One more thing, last year, he was talking to me around, was it a year before? 2 a.m. in the evening. He said, what idea do you have? I said, sir, I have an idea that is impossible. He said, give it to me. I said, sir, can you put me and somebody in the poster? He was shocked. I said, can you put me? He was shocked. And the following day, the person came. I didn't want to mention her name. She got a check she has not got in 2 years anywhere. Yeah, I can practically say that. Yeah. Why? I tell somebody might have told him, and I said I want to look further. So I accepted it. So ladies and gentlemen, working with him, the idea, so we're about to do what we did, and the team was becoming shaky because the person wanted to do a film, which he supported, and he said, Mr. Balogun, we can do better. I said, you think so? He said, okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I coordinated, I called people, I've spoken about it before. He came up personally by himself with his singular thought on no double thinking, his singular ways and his singular road to call, came up with the idea of Kolleti and Salawa. Wow. So you see, he said a story here today. There were some people who you think can do it. He came up with another people or something which says, if you think you cannot make it in this film and this is the end of you, know there are some better things out there, go grab it and let it go. I'm happy tonight. Ronke came to me and said, I said, and she went to Adron, and she's the only person today. I don't care. And she said it. But that's or what do you call her? That's my product. That's my product. But today I will say thank you to capital G-O-D. Without them in some rep, in some jerry, they are standing. My father here, thank you very much for always standing by me. Thank you very much. Shai, no more war, thank you. Wumi, thank you very much. Sir, my sister is very troublesome. Anyone who has a thank you everybody. And this man here too, Daily Gold. He's a musician, he has a shop in ShopRite. Once you go in, he sells fine wristwatch. Somebody did not want him to sing. Somebody did not want him to sing, and me and him planned the coup. Today he has done 3 albums. This is a man I believed in. I was arguing in Nick Espella's house. We were talking for about 4 hours. He just stood up from sleep and said, Mr. Balogun, hey, she will say Marokun, and that movie was Omo Alaja. Wow. Yeah. So when he says anything, I said, when I'm talking, Biola, thank you very much. And this is one woman here. Her name is Yinka. She's from Canada. A consultant, trauma saver. We did a film together, Scotch. She's the woman saying say no to drugs from the youth level. Thank you very much, Jamal. Although I said it, she's my product. God bless you. My son, he's doing pharmacy now in Unilab. Wow. God bless you. Thank you for not abusing me. God will bless you. Thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you. On the wrap-up note, because after now, you just need to stand up, take pictures and all of that. Aria said a lot of stuff, and on that note, that is where I'll just hang the cap. Celebrant also said a lot of stuff. I have a very strong belief deep down in my spirit that people will not remember you for the fights that you put up, the tantrum you throw. the unnecessary drama is shown online now, but people don't forget impact, and that's why we are here to celebrate this iconic figure. And you know, Manakim says something that.
One more thing, sir. Please, can you put your hands together for him? Cars, you do 3 cars. I said because I started from the stage. All those 70s, 80s staging. I really started the Instagram war. And today, people are making 800. It's not different from me. I cannot, if you call Arole now, he may not charge you. But people who even say, okay, this guy is doing like I can do that, charging higher. Arole, you are an icon on your own. You've not made history. History did not make you. You have made more history. God bless you.
Let me also say we share the same birth month. On the 22nd of this month, I'll be 30 years as well. Wow. Yeah. So something special will also happen between I and Adron as well. Yeah.
Uncle says 30 or 100.
So, because it's special, it's February, I prophesied the Adron. So, it's you and I one-on-one. You don't agree, I appear to you, sir. That's it.
Orúkọ mi ni mo fẹ́ Látúnjí. Saidi jẹ́ ọ̀gá mi níbi iṣẹ́ torí Adron Homes tèmi tí ń ṣiṣẹ́ so wọ́n lè lọ àwọn olórí wa ní media department ní Adron Homes. Mr. Saidi Balogun jẹ́ èèyàn ká má pààrọ̀ ní èèyàn gidi ni wọ́n tó yẹ pé wọ́n kó èèyàn mọ́ra wọ́n kó everybody mọ́ra wọ́n dẹ̀ máa ń like tó yẹ pé àwọn tó wà ní under wọn wọ́n ṣe nǹkan gidi wọ́n ṣe right thing. Nǹkan tí mo tún lè sọ nípa wọn ni pé wọ́n làwọ́. Mr. Saidi làwọ́ wọn ò láhùn wọ́n dẹ̀ máa ń tọ́yàn sọ́nà everybody máa ń believe pé àwọn celebrity yìí tó yẹ pé wọ́n máa ń snob ni wọ́n ẹ̀mọ́ pẹ̀lú mi àti ní encounter pẹ̀lú àwọn celebrity kan tó yẹ pé tẹ́ bá fẹ́ bá wọn ya picture àbí tẹ́ bá pàdé wọn ní gathering wọ́n lè snob or something like that but ìgbà tí mo move very much closer to Mr. Saidi náà mo rí pé àwọn tún yàtọ̀ sí àwọn celebrities kankan torí wọ́n relate mọ́ everybody bí ẹni pé àti mo rárí láti ilẹ̀ wọ́n jẹ́ ká mọ̀ àlá pé celebrity ni mí wọ́n gbé wá sórí scale pé celebrity ni mí ìwọ èèyàn yẹpẹrẹ wọ́n bá everybody relate wọ́n bá wa jẹun wọ́n àjọ dàpárà ni so tẹ́lẹ̀ kó tó di pé mo meet wọn actually mo máa rí àwọn celebrity gbogbo wọn ìwà kan náà ni wọ́n ní but ìgbà tí mo move very closer sí wọn mo rí pé wọ́n yàtọ̀.
It takes a lot for a brand to say come and be our face and let us identify with it and I'm sure they've seen something and for the MDC motivation here to leave his time family just to come sit down it shows the high regard not just for him even for the industry that is being displayed because the thing right now permit me to just tip this in the industry is now if you look at it there are a lot of things happening that makes it a bit it's so funny why some people does not want to even identify with the so-called but when you have someone like a Saidi Balogun and the Edun property visionary is sitting next to it shows the integrity of that. So I have the single honor to just for him to say something. He has experience. He's a man of few words. I know him. I know Arole Wumi. Emmanuel. Please a round of applause for the MDC. Thank you, sir.
God bless you. Personally, I want to appreciate everyone who has made it a duty today to attend this occasion to celebrate Saidi Balogun at 53. Mr. Saidi Balogun, the Bible says teach us to know that again. So that we may apply our heart unto wisdom. See every day as a plus. Everybody has said good things about you. Oh, you are doing this, you are doing that. Give yourself a milestone. As if tomorrow is the last day. Do it with every good thing. I wish that every one of us who can say, okay, there's still this thing. As I've said so many good things, just say one thing you want him to improve on. That will really help. So that in the next, as if the remaining days is just 365 days. And long, So that by next year when we gather again, we say, wow, Mr. Balogun, you've done so well. I will round up with this short story. There was once a time, two friends, they sought a soothsayer. They wanted to know their destiny. And the soothsayer looked at him and said, oh, you'll be rich. You'll be the richest man in the world. You'll be so wealthy, you have houses, wives, children, horses, cars. He said, that's what will happen to you. You look at the second person and say, you'll be very poor. So poor that you'll be poorer than poor. Said so many bad things about it. The two friends left. The one that will be very rich, throw a party, empty his account, say money is coming. And leave me, Mama, no will be Dangote. Malo Marali Dangote, Marali Otedola. Side posting. Every day he would drink. Every money he would drink. He was selling his properties one by one to throw party and say, I money man, no. The other person, haven't gotten the word from the soothsayer. Felt so bad, nothing more to live in life. He packed his load, he still belonged, and headed to another village. In a solitary place, and I started farming. In the load, started farming. In large acreage, started farming. 10 years down the line, the man has over 500 acres of land farming. The other one who said he will become rich became very poor. And not only that, there was famine in the land. No food. Hunger everywhere. Then they just discovered this one. Because this man doesn't go anywhere. So they said, you'll be nobody. You don't attain to anything in life. So he was living inside the jungle. Out of civilization. Then somebody discovered him one day and said, wow, I've discovered a place, there's food, there's everything. They discovered the man. And the man said, so there's no food in that. He said, there's no food. He started selling. He became wealthy. And one day, as he was exploring more stars, he's now that big, wealthy man. He employed his friend. He said, Alabi, what happened to you? He said, this is me. I thought you would have been in London, Canada, America. So what am I saying? That is the story of life. That is the picture of life. No matter what they have said concerning you, don't believe anybody. Believe in yourself. You are the mighty angel of your life. You are the architect of your destiny. No matter what they are telling you, whatever any man is saying, just believe in yourself. And you will be who you dream of becoming. So, Mr. Saidi Balogun, the best is yet to come. Amen. What is your dream? Dream new. Dream big. You are 53 now. How will you look when you are 63? In the next 10 years, in the next decade, who is going to be Saidi Balogun? It was for looking at Adekola who brought, I think last year, December, who brought some artists we used to celebrate in those days. Is that their dream 20 years ago? Is that the picture? I remember in the days of Baba Salah, we grew up to know Baba Salah in those days. We all know that the end was not sweet. You have to gather to really help you. At 63, what are you going to look like? 73, let the ball. The journey is still far. Be filled with vision. Run as if there is no tomorrow. So that when we gather here next year, we say, wow, Balogun is now the SA to the governor, is now the SA to this, is now the commissioner for movie, culture, and this and that. Balogun, Saidi Balogun, everywhere. It is vision that will take you there. You have done so well. but there's still more to do. And I pray this night that God Almighty will give you wisdom, will give you strength, and He will give you power. In the mighty name of Jesus. Happy birthday.
Please, a round of applause.